Taking collagen powder. Avoid these 7 dangerous mistakes. If you've been taking collagen regularly, whether in your morning drink, capsules, or adding it to your nighttime routine, but still find your joints aching, your skin feeling thin, or your muscles weakening, this could be the most important video you watch this year. Here's the truth that most people never hear. Seniors often don't fail with collagen because of age, but because of the way they're using it. These mistakes are small and easy to overlook, but they can completely destroy the benefits of collagen. It might be a drink that's a little too hot, a meal missing one important nutrient, a cheap powder that looks good but isn't effective, or taking collagen at the wrong time of day when your body can't properly use it. These tiny habits can block absorption and waste the supplement you're taking without you realizing it. As we get older, digestion slows down, protein breakdown weakens, and your body needs more support, not less. Collagen can still benefit your joints, skin, and muscles, but it needs to be taken correctly to make a difference. In today's video, we'll cover the 7 biggest mistakes seniors make when taking collagen and explain how to fix each one so your body can absorb, rebuild, and repair as it should. Stay with us until the end. Mistake number 7 is why so many older adults give up too soon, just before collagen actually starts working. Mistake number 1, mixing collagen into drinks that are too hot. Many seniors start their day with a steaming cup of coffee or tea and add collagen powder. While it seems like a simple, convenient ritual, here's the hidden issue. If your drink is too hot, you're destroying the collagen. Collagen is made up of delicate amino acids, which are key to repairing joints and strengthening skin. But once the temperature exceeds 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 degrees Celsius, the amino acids begin to unravel and lose their ability to repair. To avoid this, let your drink cool for 10 to 15 minutes before adding the collagen. The ideal temperature is 120 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 49 to 60 degrees Celsius. This small adjustment will protect the collagen's effectiveness and help your body absorb it properly. Mistake number 2, taking collagen without vitamin C. You can take the highest quality collagen every day, but without vitamin C, your body won't be able to build new collagen. Vitamin C is essential because it converts the amino acids from collagen into the collagen fibers your body needs. Without it, collagen synthesis slows down, even if you're using a premium powder. To fix this, pair your collagen with a source of vitamin C, whether it's lemon water, citrus fruits, or a separate vitamin C supplement. Just be careful to avoid sugary drinks, as sugar can weaken collagen through a process called glycation. Mistake number 3, taking collagen with too little protein. Collagen alone isn't enough to build and repair tissues. After 60, your body processes protein differently, and if you're not getting enough total protein in your diet, your body won't be able to use the collagen you're taking. Collagen isn't a complete protein and lacks certain amino acids that are essential for muscle and tissue repair. To fix this, make sure you're hitting the right daily protein target, about 1.0 to 1.2 grams per kilogram of body weight. Pair collagen with protein-rich foods like Greek yogurt, eggs, or chicken to give your body all the amino acids it needs. Mistake number 4, taking collagen at the wrong time of day. Taking collagen first thing in the morning, especially on an empty stomach, isn't the best time for your body to absorb it. In the morning, your body is still stabilizing blood sugar and seeking quick energy, so collagen peptides are more likely to be used for immediate fuel rather than tissue repair. Instead, try taking collagen later in the day, after a meal, or even before bed. Your body's repair processes peak at night, so collagen will be absorbed more efficiently during this time. This timing also takes advantage of collagen's calming effects, helping improve sleep and reduce morning stiffness. Mistake number 5, using cheap or low-quality collagen powders. Not all collagen powders are created equal. Cheap powders can irritate digestion, trigger inflammation, and pass through your system without providing any real benefits. High-quality collagen is hydrolyzed, pure and free of fillers and additives, allowing your body to absorb it properly. When shopping for collagen, look for hydrolyzed collagen peptides sourced from grass-fed bovine or wild-caught marine collagen. Make sure it's third-party tested for purity and free of artificial sweeteners, preservatives, and fillers. Mistake number 6, taking collagen without staying hydrated. Collagen needs hydration to do its job effectively. If you're even slightly dehydrated, collagen won't have the moisture it needs to bind and provide elasticity to your skin, joints, and muscles. As you age, hydration becomes even more crucial for collagen to work its magic. Aim for 6 to 8 cups of fluids a day, prioritizing water, herbal teas, and hydrating foods like fruits and leafy greens. Drink 1 full glass of water right after taking your collagen to help it work properly. Mistake number 7, expecting collagen to work overnight. Collagen isn't a quick fix. It's a gradual rebuilding process, especially after 60. Many seniors give up after just a few weeks when they don't see instant results. However, collagen works behind the scenes, and it can take several weeks to notice significant changes in skin elasticity, joint comfort, and muscle strength. Be patient and consistent. Give collagen at least 8 to 12 weeks to show real results. It's not a miracle, but with the right habits, it can truly help rebuild your body. Conclusion: collagen still works after 60, but it needs to be used properly. By fixing these small mistakes, like adjusting the temperature of your drink, pairing collagen with vitamin C, eating enough protein, and staying hydrated, you can make a big difference in your results. Now I want to hear from you. Which mistake surprised you the most? Are you going to change your collagen routine starting today? Share your answer below, and let's help each other stay strong and healthy.